Nubia Z60s Pro has recently launched as a flagship-grade phone. It features a fast refresh rate 1.5K OLED display, a high-end processor, a Sony camera setup, satellite connectivity, and more. Today, I'm going to share the unboxing and first impressions of the Nubia Z60s Pro, which has just been released. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. First, we cut the plastic wrap on the box and open the lid. The phone comes in an aqua color option. We remove the plastic covering the phone. Inside the box, there's a matte finished protective case with large Nubia branding, a user manual, and a SIM tool. The box also includes a red Type-C to Type-C data cable and an 80-watt power adapter. The phone's case has a nice matte finish, so it doesn't feel sticky. The phone weighs 223.9 grams, so it's a bit heavy, and it's 8.7 millimeters thick. The back of the phone is made of glass and has a flat design, which may not feel as comfortable to hold as a curved back. The frame is made of metal. The phone comes in aqua, white, and black color options. The most important feature of the phone is its camera. It has a rear-facing triple camera setup, with the main camera being a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor. This main camera has optical image stabilization and a 35mm focal length, similar to the human eye's perspective. Additionally, the phone has a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with a 125-degree field of view, which also functions as a macro lens. It also includes an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. There's a slider button on the side of the phone that quickly opens the camera app. You can customize this button as well. The phone also supports two-way satellite communication, which means you can make calls and send messages even in areas without regular cellular coverage. The Nubia Z60s Pro has a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. It offers 100% DCI-P3 color gamut for vibrant colors and has a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. For eye protection, it includes a 2160 Hz PWM dimming feature. The display can reach a peak brightness of 1200 nits, and it boasts a 1000 Hz instant touch sampling rate for a very responsive touch experience. The Nubia Z60s Pro is powered by last year's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, which should deliver strong performance. I'll cover more details about its gaming and performance in a detailed review video, so stay tuned to our channel. The phone also has a 5100 mAh battery and supports 80-watt charging. In terms of pricing, the base variant starts at 289.99 Chinese yuan, which is approximately 322 pounds in the UK and 430 in the USA. So, what do you guys think about the Nubia Z60s Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more great tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.